asking me what I got on. They be like, hey Brandon, what you got on? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's hard.
Yo, what it do, YouTube? Mr.Hustlehard back with another one. And this is what I got going on. As you see, I have the other wheel down there, and you're probably wondering why. Well, got another part I need to change, which is right here. Upper control arm. Yeah, this one right here. Reason I'm changing it, yeah, I know it might not look bad, but it is. When this moves up and down, this bushing, this part of it, well, not actually, this whole thing just moves and this stays stationary. It's supposed to move just a little bit, you know, with this, but not much. But what's going on, basically the inside is wilded out, and once it gets to a certain point, it just does whatever it wants. And I feel it all on my steering wheel and stuff, so I'm finna change it. I've been ordered it a while ago, but just now getting to doing it. So without any further ado, go ahead and get started. I already got the cotter pin out the top. My mallet. Yeah, you know what, and I know a lot of people did use like forks to separate these. I really don't use forks unless I have to. That's my last line of defense, basically, if I use a fork. Generally, what I do to get out of these free, even the tie rod, I hit the knuckle right here. I be hitting the knuckle. Hit the knuckle right here. You know what I'm saying, to loosen it up. I hit the knuckle right here to loosen this ball joint up, and I hit it below, you know, on the knuckle, on the spindle, and yeah, like right there, I tap it right there, and I say about 95% of the time I have success. I mean, yeah, you do have those tools where, you know, like the tie rod tool, where it presses down, where it hooks on like this, and it has a bolt that presses down on it. Yeah, that's cool to have, you know, but I don't have one. I haven't used one in shit since I've been working on these cars. I mean, usually if you have if it's that hard to get off, 9 times out of 10 you usually have to change it. I mean, change my tie rods and stuff later on. I'm not gonna do that today. Yeah, I'm just not finished. I don't know. I might do it today, but it'll be a whole different video if I do it. But yeah, let me find my hammer real quick. See if, oh, there we go. Yeah, y'all see, I got it looking like a mess already right here. All right, see if I can bring y'all with me while I get this part loose real quick. Yeah, because once I get this loose, then I'm gonna cut the camera off and pull it down, because I won't be able to do nothing, you know, while I'm holding this camera. I'm gonna have to get in a stand. Yeah, I'm gonna mess around and eventually get a stand. But, all right, it's loose. See how it's sitting right now. All right, yeah, I think I pressed something. But I'm gonna show y'all what to do real quick. You see, I haven't even. It's still like that. I haven't hit it or nothing yet. But if you give it a good glove tap right here, Just a love tap. That's all you need. You know, if your hammer is heavy enough, you won't need it to whack it that many times. Usually it's only like 1 or 2 whacks, 3, 4 at the most. Because what you want to do, you know, you just want to vibrate it loose. That's all you're doing. You vibrating it loose. And instead of just hitting down on it, messing up your ball joint, if you was wanting to save it or whatnot, and not bust your boot or whatever, you don't want to use the fork, yeah, you can just hit the spindle. But enough of that, y'all. Let me go ahead and get this on situated. And hold on, let me see. Ooh, yeah, and it got that and tightened up. Okay. And this is a 7/8. Yeah, 7/8. Alright, I'm gonna have to jack it up a little bit. Get some of that pressure off. Okay. Now, when it's probably gonna want to try to fall once I get it off. But I ain't worried about it. So I need to change my brake setup and stuff anyway to the big brake setup. Just haven't felt like doing it yet, to be honest, y'all. Man, yeah, just want to give me a fight. As I'm trying to record it, yeah, it wants to give me a fight. Yeah, I probably should have turned the wheel the other way. Cause this is giving me a hell of a hard time right now. But yeah, y'all y'all get the gist. Let me cut this camera off. I'll cut y'all back on once I have it off and I'll show y'all the process of removing that control arm. Oh yeah, I got it off. Ooh, I need to change that. And man, this is a damn poly bushing. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all. See how it's just moving? It ain't supposed to be like that, y'all. And it's moving side to side. Yeah, it's not supposed to do that, y'all. One bit. Take 2, other side. Same thing. Back and forth. Let's see. I can move it freely. And it's not supposed to be like that. You can even see it right here. See that gap with a little spacing. Yeah, so y'all, it's no good. That is no good. And yeah, I really hate I hate this part. Just loosening them damn nuts and stuff up. I hate it. Seems like could have been a better way done, but it's old school. I get that. But yeah, you gotta basically hold this side and use a wrench on the other side to break them. Unless you're lucky enough to break them on the other side, you know, without this part spinning. Yeah, but oh well. Let me go ahead and get this knocked out, y'all, and I'll turn y'all back on once I have it off. Alright, y'all, got it off. Flip flop gang, yes sir. Nah, but yeah, this is the old one right here, y'all. And this is what I'm talking about. It's not supposed to do that, y'all. It's not supposed to be like that at all. The bush is supposed to be stuck in here. So we're pressed in, but see how it moves side to side? Yeah, that's no good, y'all. Yeah, y'all, that's no good. I mean, I could have got some bushings and try to, you know, put new bushes in them. But if these are wired out, ain't no use of doing it. On the way they'll really hold, you had to put like a tack weld on them. And then when it's time to change them, you had to cut that tack weld off and all that extra crap. And it ain't worth it. It's not worth it. So that's why I bought a whole new one. I mean, and it's cheaper to me to buy the whole new one. I mean, what, $40? plus shipping, including shipping. I mean, you really can't beat it, versus going to the parts store, and getting it. Cause I got this from Rock Auto. Well, I got that from Rock Auto. And something else I started doing, y'all, I double nut. I put a locking nut on my ball joint. I kind of don't like these kind because you can't grease them. But I guess, what I'm saying, once it goes bad, once the boot busts, it goes bad, and yada yada yada. So yeah, y'all, this is what I'm into. Try to put these bolts back on first before I put the alignment shims on. And that's one. This one behind this link, this steering arm, will be a son of a gun. Yeah, y'all, here go my shims. And yeah, and also make sure you keep your shims in order. Trust me. That's another reason why I need to go get alignment. I lost some shims like some years ago. I had one of them control arm bolts. Yeah, I think it was this side. It broke on me, y'all, believe it or not, a while back. It broke on me, and man, shoot, when I tell y'all, shoot, that was the most scariest ride. And I just had to go down the street to my house. I was just down the street, like literally down the street, and shoot, it would ride fine first, and then they'll get to a part, and the whole car would just do like this, just like this. I mean, really, that's what it was doing. The whole front end would shake like that. And yeah, shoot, I was just luckily, like I said, I was just lucky to be down the street from the house. Because if I wasn't, it would have been a bad day. But yeah, y'all, got that on so far. Let me go ahead and see if I can do it for you. Because I still gotta tighten these up too as well. But you don't tighten those up. You don't tighten this up till after you have the weight of the car down. So that's gonna be dead last, y'all. And this part is gonna be first. See if I can get them on there. Bam. Got those on. Back ones on without no hiccup. Okay. Alright. Got them on. Now we gotta tighten them bolts up, which I won't be able to bring y'all along with because I need both hands, y'all. So I'll cut y'all back on once I tighten it up. Yeah. Alright, YouTube. Y'all see, I got it back on now. I don't have these all the way tight. They're just there. I didn't want to tighten them all the way up because, like I said, I gotta get it at rod height. So I'm gonna put the wheel on, then set the car down. I mean, there's another way you can do it too. I mean, shoot, y'all see I got my jack up under here. I mean, you can jack it up too, But me personally, there's more room like this, to be honest. And to be honest, yeah, and this is just about my rod height. Yeah, as a matter of fact, I think it is. Ooh, dang, I gotta get a damn tire. But anyway, y'all, shoot up. Yeah, I guess I gotta snug them down, but y'all, this is basically it, man. Shoot, out with the old, in with the new. Yeah, I bet I'm gonna just go and tighten it up like this, cause I got this at rod height, basically. So I'm gonna just tighten those up, and throw my wheel back on me, y'all. This is the easiest access. I'm trying to tighten them up with the wheels on, with the wheel on inside the car. That's terrible. So I'm gonna just do it like this, you know, and be done with it, y'all. But yeah, that's it, y'all.